What is up, guys? So I come over here today after work. It's Saturday. Gonna try to work on this some. I got it moved. We're gonna get it moved into the shade. I mean, it's shade now, but somewhere so that way when I come to work on it tomorrow, we can get a lot of it knocked out and won't have to worry about it being so hot out there in the sun where I'm having to put a tarp on it. But trying to get this thing finished up. I want to be able to drive it. I miss it. It's been a while since it ran, so I'm gonna make sure I get this thing finished up here as quickly as possible. Alright, so I purchased some studs. This just being a headache because the fucking holes are dirty. I need to run a tap in there, chase the threads. But or a thread chaser or whatever, but I can get a couple of these in, and that way when the header's done I can go ahead and mount this thing on, because I had a bunch of mismatched bolts that would look like crap if I'd have done it together. So I tried to actually get studs, ordered a little bag of studs that to put in it. So far I got 2 in, and I'm working on the third one. It's a little dirty, so I'm having to work it in and out a couple times trying to get it all the way in, and then we'll work our way through, and I'm going to definitely have to chase the threads on this one. But alright guys, so it got dark on me and my light's locked up. I can't get to it right now, so you probably won't even get to see this video, but if you do, I got the gauges mounted. You're gonna get to see it tomorrow. That's way too dark to even try to see, but I'll be out here tomorrow. What's up, guys? So I don't have an actual video of this. I had to cut the flange off, straight up. Cut that off. Here's the flange. Cut off. It's already been pre-marked. See the 2 marks there? 1 mark there. 2 marks there. 1 mark there. And you even got a back mark down there. And so it lays on there like this, and all the lines that are right there on the bottom make that match up. So we don't need the turbo. And we'll get this welded up hopefully tonight, and be able to use this in the video tomorrow to continue on. But I haven't been able to make it over here and get an actual video of what it looks like with the flange cut off. So there's that. Alright, what is up, guys? Since it was too dark last night and I couldn't show y'all, this is kind of how it turned out. I still gotta cut the other hole, but I don't have to put the oil pressure gauge there. But that gives you an idea what it's gonna look like. It's all coming together. Alright, so here we go. I gotta get a brush and clean it up, but it's welded back on there. I'm gonna have it decked or planed or whatever, so that way it's flat. But it's on there, got tigged on there. Take the brush and clean it up, it should look better. But I should be able to continue on now without being welded on. Alright guys, so I got all the studs in, the new ones. There's 2 old ones already in there, so I got studs again, and the header will be done here soon, and I'll show y'all what that looks like, and we'll get that on here, be able to continue on. Alright, so there we go, got them all on there, got it bolted down, it's in there, and we'll get the turbo on there now, so we see what it looks like. Alright, so there we go. Turbo mounted the header.
You can literally see Nike on my phone.
if I can't get it in here to show y'all the gap that we had to make. No, I can't get past the. It has the smallest gap from where it's not sitting on it.
North Carolina yet. And even it don't matter who you fucking live here.
I can't get below it and show it.
Right now,
Just the smallest gap.
it's gotta be under a lock.
Alright, so unfortunately, it's getting dark on me. Well, not late wise, but it's going to rain and I'm on a motorcycle. So, I'm about to head out. But, I did get the header on today and the turbo mounted so we can start mocking up the exhaust. And we'll start that. I got the radiator back in. I actually got to build mounts down here on the bottom, but we'll get to that. I got this in here so that way I can figure out how I'm going to do the exhaust. But that's one of the things I've been trying to shoot to get in here is the turbo real bad, and there she is. So that makes me feel way better about the whole thing and about where we're at, and the couple more surprises we're waiting on. So we'll stop it here today, and we will continue on another video probably. So, you know, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Because when this thing comes to life, we're going to actually go out and start driving it, making passes, racing with some people, and all that. But we don't have too much longer left. And I will be over here tomorrow to work on it. But peace out, guys.